It is Prasanna's first day in college. The campus is buzzing like a beehive full of confused honeybees.
Okay, deep breath. It's just college, not the India-Pakistan final match.
Prasanna enters through the wrong gate with overconfidence equal to a superhero who forgot his powers.
They tell this is the staff entrance. Students go from the main gate.
Oh yes, I was testing the security system. Very strong security, sir.
Nice try. Now go back before I test my whistle on you.
Prasanna finally walks through the correct gate like a proud warrior entering a battleground.
Why are there so many people? Did someone announce free biryani?
Bro, that's the queue for ID card photos.
Queue. This is not a queue, this is a new railway platform.
A football suddenly zooms past Prasanna's head like a warning from the universe.
Sorry, bro. Target practice day for us.
Why is every day target practice day?
Because freshers run fast. Good cardio for us.
I feel very appreciated, thank you.
Hey, you new here? You look like you took the wrong bus and ended up in another city.
Yes, emotionally and geographically lost.
Come. Orientation hall is this way. Probably.
Probably.
Yeah, I have 40% confidence. Let's go.
They walk through the corridor filled with seniors who look friendly but suspicious.
Welcome, freshers. Please relax. No ragging today. We only ask easy questions.
What kind of questions?
Like, which is your favorite food?
Anything except bitter gourd. Bitter gourd betrayed me.
Good answer. Proceed, Warrior.
Prasanna and his friend enter the orientation hall.
Welcome to college. Please sit. Not on each other.
Sir, the benches are too small for my confidence.
Confidence is allowed to stand outside.
Laughing. Bro, you're starting trouble already.
I'm naturally talented.
Let's begin introductions.
Hi, I'm Rohit. I like coding.
Hi, I'm Kavya. I like reading.
Hi, I'm Prasanna and I survived a football attack outside.
Good. We appreciate survivors here.
The class laughs. Prasanna feels slightly like a celebrity.
Now I will explain the rules. Rule 1, don't sleep in class.
Noted, sir. I will sleep only in my dreams.
We'll see.
After orientation, they go to their first lab session.
Each of you will get a computer. Treat it like your girlfriend or boyfriend.
So what if the computer hangs?
Then treat it like a relationship. Wait, fix it, and don't hit it.
Bro, look. My computer is older than me.
This looks like Windows XP grandfather.
The lab assistant switches on the projector.
Asterisk makes dying engine noises asterisk.
Oh, it's okay. It does this every Monday. And Tuesday. And every day.
Sir, is this projector alive?
We think so. It refuses to retire.
Meanwhile, in the canteen.
What do you want?
What's good today?
The water.
Whispers. Avoid the samosas. They fight back.
Fight back.
My cousin ate one last year. He still remembers the pain.
Prasanna orders a tea instead.
This tea tastes mysterious.
Exactly. That's how you know it's college canteen tea.
Later, they explore the library.
Silence. This is a library, not a cricket stadium.
Whispers loudly. Sorry.
You whispered like an explosion.
Bro, look. Free Wi-Fi.
Password.
Read books at 2025.
Creative.
They sit down to discuss classmates.
Did you see that guy who introduced himself twice?
Yeah, he forgot his name mid-sentence.
Guys, do you know where classroom B307 is?
Yes. Somewhere in this universe.
We can help. We're lost too.
More hours pass. More confusion happens.
Freshers. Free advice: never run in the corridor. The floor slides at random places.
Why?
Ask the janitor. He knows the physics behind it.
I don't. Even the floor doesn't.
Finally, a first actual lecture begins.
Welcome to computer science. Today, we will start with the basics.
Basics? Like turning on the computer?
Exactly. Many struggle with it.
Sir, this button says on with a question mark. Why?
Because even it is confused whether it turns on or not.
Bro, this is legendary.
Sir, my computer is not starting.
Did you plug it in?
Plug.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we witnessed history.
The class lasts until tears come out.
Okay, class dismissed. Tomorrow we begin real programming,
Sir, what is real programming?
the thing that will destroy your sleep schedule.
Bro, we're doomed.
Yes, beautifully doomed.
After class, they try to find the bus stop.
This campus is a maze.
Even Google Maps gave up on us.
Need help?
Yes, sir. We are looking for the exit.
Then why are you standing near the playground?
We thought this was a shortcut.
Shortcuts cause long life regrets.
They finally reach the bus.
Today was a movie.
Comedy, action, adventure, everything.
I can't wait for day 2.
And this ends Prasanna's long, chaotic, and funny first day in college.